Exercise 8.2, question number 1. Find the coefficient of x power 5 in x plus 3 to the power 8. So what is my n? It is 8. What is my general form? T of r plus 1 equals ncr a to the n minus r b to the r. So this becomes 8cr. What is my a? X to the power 8 minus r, and b, which is 3 to the power r. So basically I want my coefficient of x power 5. So I need x power 5. When I equate the powers, I have 8 minus r equals 5. R equals 8 minus 5, which is 3. So if my r is 3, I can get the coefficient of x to the 5, right? So what do I need? T of 3 plus 1 equals, what is my n? 8c3 x to the 8 minus 3, 3 to the 3, which is equal to, what is my 8c3? 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 5 factorial, x to the 5 times, what is my 3 cube? 27. What do I have here? 8 into 6 into 7 into 5 factorial divided by 3 into 2. So this just goes off. What do I have? X to the 5 times 27. So my final answer is 8 sevens are 56 times 27 times x to the 5, which is 1512 times x power 5. So this is my final answer. This is the coefficient of x to the 5. Okay. Similarly, when I solve the second question, it is very similar to the example question. Find the coefficient of a power 5 b power 7 in a minus 2b to the power 12. Okay. So what is it? T of r plus 1 is ncr a to the n minus r b to the r. So I have my n is 12 cr. What is my a? A itself, n minus r, times what is my b? Minus 2b to the power r. So I need the power of r to be 7. So r equals 7. Let us check if it satisfies here. So a to the 12 minus 7, which is 5. So my r is 7. So t 7 plus 1 equals 12c7 of a to the 12 minus 7, which is 5, times b to the 7. That is the required coefficient, right? So what is my b? It is minus 2b. Minus 2b the whole power 7. So I have 12 factorial divided by 7 factorial times 12 minus 7 is 5 factorial. A to the 5 minus 2 power 7 b power 7. So I have 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 times minus 2 to the power 7 a power 5 b power 7. So what do I have? 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12. So I am left with 11 times 9 into 8. So I have 99 times 8 times minus 2 power 7 and 9, 128. So it is minus 128 times a to the 5 b to the 7. So you can just calculate this and write the final answer. So it's minus 101376 a to the 5 b to the 7. Question number 3. Write the general term in the expansion of x square minus y the whole power 6. So a plus b the whole power n. How do you write it? So this is n cr a to the n minus r b to the r, which is 6cr of x square 6 minus r minus y to the power r. So this is 6cr times, when I multiply it by 2, I have x to the power 12 minus 2r, and when I take the minus 1 outside, I have minus 1 to the r, y to the r. So what is it? Minus 1 to the r, 6cr, x to the power 12 minus 2r, y to the r. So this is the general form. Okay. Question number 4. X square minus yx to the power 12. So I have ncr, which is 12cr of x square to the power 12 minus r times minus yx to the power r. So I have 12cr of x times 24 minus 2r. I take the minus 1 outside, so I have minus 1 to the power r, and I have x to the power r and y to the power r, right? Can I split them like this? Okay. Now I need to combine the x terms and the y terms. So I have 12cr, I have 12cr times x to the power 24 minus 2r plus r times minus 1 to the r, y to the r. So I have minus 1 to the r, 12cr, x to the power 24 minus r, y to the r. That's your general term. Okay. Fifth question. Find the fourth term in the expansion x minus 2y to the power 12. I need to find the fourth term, which is t3 plus 1. So what is t3 plus 1? It is ncr, 12c3 of x to the power 12 minus 3, b to the power 3. b is minus 2y. Okay. What is 12c3? 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 9 factorial, x to the power 9 minus 2 to the power 3 y cube. So what is it? 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 3 into 2. So I have 6 2s are. Again I have a minus 8 x to the 9 y cube. So I have 2 into 11 is 22. 22 times 10 is 220 times minus 8 x to the 9 y cube. So I have 16, 17 minus x to the 9 y cube. That's my answer. Sixth question. Find the 13th term in the expansion 9x minus 1 by 3 root x to the power 18. So t13 is t12 plus 1 equals ncr, 18cr, a to the power n minus r times b to the power r. Clear? So I have, what is 18c12? 18 factorial divided by 12 factorial times 6 factorial. I have 9x to the power 6 minus to the power even power. So the minus goes off. So I have 1 by 3 to the power 12 times 1 by root x to the power 12. So what is 1 by root x to the power 12? It is 1 by x to the half times 12. So this becomes 6. So it is 1 by x to the 6. Okay. So 1 by root x to the 12 is 1 by x to the 6. So this becomes 1 by x to the 6. This becomes 1 by 3 to the 12. 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 divided by 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 times, don't leave this 9x the whole power 6. So I have 9 to the 6 times x to the power 6. So this x to the 6 and x to the 6 goes off. What else can you cancel? 9 to the 6 can also be written as 3 square to the whole power 6. So this is nothing but 3 to the 12. So 9 to the 6 can also be written as 3 to the 12. Let me write that in the next step. So this is 3 to the 12. So I have, what can I cancel? 6 3s are 18. 5 3s are 15. 4 4s are 2 7s are. So what am I left with? 17 into 4 into 3 into 7 into 13 times 1 by 3 to the 12 times 3 to the 12. 9 to the 6 can be written as 3 to the 12. Okay, so this goes up. So what is my final answer? 1, 8, 5, 6, 4.